Just 90 minutes from the DFW metroplex is Fort Parker State Park, located in Mejia, Texas, on the Navasota River. The state park encompasses the historic town of Springfield, which declined once the railroad passed the town in the 1870s. An interesting fact is that the building that now houses the Fort Parker State Park headquarters was the previous building for the CCC Infirmary. Entrance fees for the park are $5, while 12 and under are free. The only part of Springfield that remains is the cemetery, with one of the oldest tombstones belonging to an infant. A veteran of the Revolutionary War, and 2 veterans of the Battle of San Jacinto are also buried here. The day use area is a clean and scenic area to picnic or fish with the family. There are several picnic benches near Fort Parker Lake, which is fed by the Navasota River, as well as various spots to cast a line and fish. A playground is located near the recreation hall. The recreation hall looks over Fort Parker Lake and can hold up to 50 people. Restrooms are nearby, and reservations can be made up to a year in advance. Springfield Trail is a 1.8-mile easy loop that starts at park headquarters and will take you to Lake Springfield and the historic Fort Parker Dam. The trail will also go past the cemetery. Springfield Lake is a small 3-acre lake that is spring-fed. This is a favorite spot for people to fish or sit on the shore and relax. Fort Parker Dam was built by the CCC Mejia Camp, a segregated unit including the sons of Black Texas sharecroppers. Hauling cement, digging dam footings, and other work was primarily done by hand and resulted in the creation of Fort Parker Lake. Sadly, after work on the dam and state park were completed, African Americans were barred from the park per a statewide policy that remained in place until the 1960s. Fort Parker Lake is a 750-acre lake where visitors can fish from the shore without a license, or visitors can enjoy the lake by boat. Common catches are channel and blue catfish, bass, and crappie. Visitors can also swim on the shore by the day use area. There are 2 boat ramps at the park, one of which is located on the Navasota River. This is also a popular area for fishing. Close to this boat ramp is the trailhead to the River Loop, a 0.9-mile trail that is easy and takes you along the Navasota River and through the woods. Cross the floating bridge to get to the Bur Oak Nature Trail, an easy 0.5-mile loop that is hiking only. Along the way is a well-maintained wildlife viewing blind that also offers scenic views of Fort Parker Lake. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep trekking.